With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello student, in this question, the given figure, the important thing, AB is equals to AC, it is given, AB is equals to AC, so definitely we are going to use it. Prove that AF is greater than AE. You have to prove AF greater than AE. So just note it down, AF, we need to prove AF greater than AE. So somehow try to prove angle opposite to AF, that is this one. Try to prove this angle greater than angle opposite to AE. Okay. As we need to prove AF greater, so we'll try to prove its opposite angle greater. Okay. So first of all, we should write the information given and to prove, which is clearly in the question. So for the proof, as AB is equals to AC, this is the given thing. So what can we conclude? AB is equals to AC. We can say angle B is equals to angle C. Now let us observe in triangle BED, as this angle AEF, this angle is exterior angle for the triangle. So angle AED, we can say AED, angle AEF, both are same angle. So angle AED is equals to, we can say angle B plus angle D by exterior angle property. We know exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. So as this angle is equal to sum of these two angles, so clearly angle AED or angle AEF same angle, we will always be able to say that this angle is greater than angle B as well as angle D also. As this angle is equal to sum of these two, so individually it will be greater than B angle also, it will be greater than angle D also. But angle B and C in this inequality, B and C already we have shown equal, B and C angle are equal, so we can replace angle B by angle C. We can write angle AEF is greater than angle C, that is this one, ACB. Angle B is equals to angle C. So angle C, let's write its full name, that is angle ACB. So in place of B, we are writing angle C as both the angles are equal. Now this angle ACB, it's again exterior angle for triangle CFD. Angle ACB is exterior angle. So again by the same exterior angle property, this angle ACB will be greater than these two interior opposite angles. This time we need this angle, so let's name it as angle 1. If I write angle 1, okay, so in triangle CFD, angle ACB will be greater than angle 1. It will be greater than angle D also, but this time we need only angle 1. So from these inequalities, first and second, angle AEF greater than ACB, further ACB is greater than angle 1. Okay, so you can understand by this numerical example also, if we say 20 is greater than 11 and further we say 11 is greater than 8, so what can we conclude by these two inequalities? For sure 20 will be greater than 8. 20 is greater than this digit and it is further greater than this one. So clearly 20 will be greater than 8. Okay, so let's apply the same logic here. By these two inequalities, we will always be able to conclude that angle AEF is greater than angle 1. Also from the figure, this angle 1 and this, if I name it as angle 2, so these two are vertically opposite angles. From figure, angle 1 is equals to angle 2. These are at the position of vertically opposite angles. So in this inequality, can say angle AEF is greater than angle 2. This is somewhat initially we want to prove. So in this triangle AEF now, this angle AEF is greater than angle 2. So this AEF become greater than angle 2. Therefore, side opposite to this greater angle, bigger angle will be longer then side opposite to the smaller angle, and its opposite side is AE. So by this we can conclude that in triangle AEF, AF is longer than AE. Triangle AEF, AF is longer than AE because AF is opposite to, once again, let's understand in the diagram, this angle is the larger angle. So its opposite side will be longer. This AF will be longer than the smaller angle opposite side AE. And also you can write reason also as side opposite to bigger angle is longer. So this is your result which you want to prove. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.